In this video, we will be finding the missing angle measures in triangles. Make sure that you are writing the title and the date in your notebook and follow along and take a couple notes. So when you look at a triangle, you'll be given different angle measures. And an important thing to remember and also write down in your notebook is that the three angles in any triangle always add up to make a total of 180 degrees. So you can see in this triangle here, we've got three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. Now if we were to add these all together and they had a number value, they would all equal 180 degrees. Let's look at an example. So for this triangle, you can see we're given the measure of angle G, and we're also given the measure of angle E. Now we need to find the measure of angle F. So we're going to use what we know about triangles, and we know they all add up to 180 degrees. So I'm going to write 180 down just so I don't forget. All the angles add up to 180. So now we have to figure out, okay, if E is 35 and G is 35, then what is F? That's our question. Okay, so we can do 35 degrees for angle G plus 35 degrees for angle E. We'll add those together and we get 70 degrees. So these two angles, angle E and angle G add together equals 70 degrees. Now we know that these equal 70, so then we have to think, okay, well if all of them equal 180, we just have to subtract 70 from 80. So we do 180 minus 70. So 180 minus 70 is just going to give us 110 degrees. So now the angle measure of angle F equals 110 degrees, and I can check my work because all of these again should add up to 180. So 35 plus 35 plus 110 gives me 180 degrees. Let's practice another one. And for this one you might see something that you don't recognize. I want you to look at this symbol right here. This little square looking thing in the corner at angle C. Anytime you see that symbol, that means that that angle measures exactly 90 degrees. So I'm going to write 90 in there because I know that angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Now that's something to record in your notebook and to remember what that symbol means. It means 90 degrees. So for this triangle, I have 90 degree angle, a 43 degree angle, and I need to find the measure of angle B. So what is the measure of angle B? That's the question mark. So I'll add 90 degrees plus 43 degrees, and then I will subtract that from 180. So 3 plus 0 is 3, 9 plus 4 is 13. So I have 133 degrees total with 90 plus 43, and then we know that they all add up to 180, so we'll do 180 minus what I have from before, so 133. I'm going to do my subtraction. Borrow. So then this is a 7, 6, 5, 4, and 1 minus 1 is 0. That's kind of a messy 4. So now I know that the measure of angle B equals 47 degrees. And again, you can check this. 47 plus 90 plus 43. If you add all those together, it's going to give us 180 degrees. Now it's time for you to practice. There are 4 homework questions. Homework question 1, you need to find the measure of angle C. So use what you know about triangles. You know all these angles added together need to equal 180. You need to find the measure of angle C. Homework question 2, find the measure of angle A. Again, use what you know about triangles and their angle measures to find the measure of angle A. Homework question number 3, you need to find the measure of angle C. Again, add these two numbers together and subtract that from 180. Use what you know about triangles to find the measure of angle C. Finally, homework question 4, find the measure of angle Z. Remember the rule I taught you about what this symbol means here and what that angle measure is? And you're going to use that to subtract from 180 and find the answer to your problem. Thank you very much, and we will see you tomorrow.